There are especially two aspects of the Lake Missoula flood that impinge upon biblical Earth history. First of all, how many floods were there? The secular scientists, first of all, said there was one. J. Harlan Bretz, when he first studied this area starting in 1923, believed in one flood. But then, because of a peculiar ash layer in some rhythmites in eastern Washington, they decided that, well, there was probably 40 floods. Then in northern Washington, in the Sandpoil Valley, they saw what they say almost 100 of these rhythmites. And therefore they said there was about 100 Lake Missoula floods. So that means Lake Missoula has to fill up about 100 times and then break. If it takes 50 years to fill up on the average glacial Lake Missoula, which is an underestimate, that's about 5,000 years of time at just the peak of the ice age. And yet they say there's 50 ice ages in regular succession now based on deep sea cores. So that's a lot of Lake Missoula floods and lots of time. So this is a challenge to biblical Earth history, which teaches a young Earth. So we will be examining how many floods there were. A second aspect is that if there was a glacial Lake Missoula, that means there was an ice age, because a lobe of the Cordilleran ice sheet from British Columbia came down through northern Idaho and blocked the Clark Fork River and created an ice dam and backed up the lake here. So that means there was an ice age after the flood.